Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna unbox another Tomytec. This one is quite a bargain. Basically, it was on sale around 15% off on Amazon. So that's why I decided to buy this car. So yeah, let's unbox. This is legitimately my first reaction to this. So it's in white. Now listen, I hate white. I absolutely hate white. I loathe white, but because it's so cheap, I have to take the white. And plus the black one, the black 412 is quite expensive, and so do the blue one. So I really love the blue one, but I cannot get it. It's too expensive. And the black one, it's not that expensive compared to this one, but it has shipping. So yeah, it's add to the price. So this one have free ship and it's have 15% off, so it's quite a good deal. So it's the 412, and it can open the bonnet. I think it have suspension, maybe, I'm not sure. Why did I choose the 412? Probably they call it, this car is probably the ugliest Ferrari. Not really the ugliest, but close to the ugliest. It's sort of a Ferrari coupe with 4 seats, basically a Ferrari 4-seater. And people hate this car, but I just love this car, man. The more you look at it, the more it becomes magnificently beautiful. So basically here, this is the back of the box. License and everything, it looks so good. And obviously the box is, oh, okay. Now I did not expect you have to put the mirror in. Oh, god damn it. Not now, man. Really? I thought they, oh my god, I forgot to look at the picture, I think. Oh, okay, damn. Now this is not a pure white. This is a sort of a white with a bit of a beige to it, with a bit of a like a yellow gradient to it. Ooh, okay, you have to stick, right. So it's same with the Daytona 365 GTB. I have the 365 GTB. Oh fuck, sorry, my voice cracked. I have the 365 GTB, and it's also have to like stick the number plate in for some reason. Anyway, that's will be later. I will do that later, or maybe live stream. So subscribe to see the live stream of me struggling putting this piece of shit on the car. So, ooh, damn, it's very heavy. Quality, obviously. Ooh, holy moly, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna get this out of the way. Oh, the bonnet already. Okay, put that in. Yep, as you can see, just slightly move it and it's already open. Yeah, that is the thing that I don't really like about the bonnet of the Tomytec, because it's sort of like too loose. I mean, sure, whatever. Right, so the 412. Now, ooh, on picture the lights sort of blend in with the paint, but as far as I can see, it's better than in the picture. Ooh, look at the front end of this car, man. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Yep, half suspension. That's absolutely magnificent. Ferrari 412. Yep, 2020. Okay. Right, the interior. Now, this is interesting. The interior. I'm gonna move the light right now. Very sorry, because the light is sort of not in. Okay, I'm gonna slightly put it down here so that you guys can see it better. Right, wait, okay. It should be here somewhere. Yep. Yeah, my setting is a bit okay. This should work. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. So, okay, right. So the detail, right? Oh my god, damn it! Focus, you imbecile! Focus! I cannot bloody focus on this shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to one-hand this. Very sorry. Right, so let's see the detail on the bonnet, shall we? Okay, very nice. Damn, that does look pretty detailed. V12, obviously front engine V12, and it has 4-seater. I cannot remember the exact horsepower. I think it's after on here. Yep, it's have on the stats on here. So it's the 95. Okay. Oh shit, it's 2 plus 2. Okay, so 400, so 5-liter V12. 5-liter V12 producing about oh, it have ABS. Yeah, of course it have ABS. Of course. 0 to 100 is around 6.7 seconds. Where is the bloody horsepower number? Fuck, I cannot read. Okay. Horsepower 400i. Didn't. Oh shit. You can have here, it said here, you can have an option. It said here 5-speed manual. So this is a 5-speed manual option or a 3-speed auto. So yeah, 3-speed auto is probably going to be shit. But anyway, nevertheless, it's a Ferrari. So yeah, it's cool, obviously. I'm really sorry because I cannot really find the horsepower number in here. But yeah, it's a 5-liter 4.9 V12 producing roughly about 300 horse, 350 maybe. I would guess it's around 350 to 400. Yep. Cream interior and very nice wheels, and obviously you have brake calipers. Oh wait, no, you don't have brake caliper on this car. Wow. Yeah, you see, that's Tomytec chipping out right there. Chipping out. Yep. But what they did not chipping out, that all the brand chip out, is the detail on the tire. It's absolutely magnificent. Yep. Look at that. 412. Really nice, actually. I don't really like I don't like white. But this white is sort of like a piss white, like a yellow. It's sort of beige in a way. So as far as I'm concerned, really nice. 2 plus 2 right over there. And the steering wheel, cannot really see the steering wheel though. Bloody hell. Oh, there it is. Wrong side. Oh no, this is really bad. I cannot really see it. Come on. Okay. Yep. So that's the steering wheel. Ferrari badge on it. And the center console. Wait, I believe this is a, yeah, it's no, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna in here somewhere. I really do sorry for the light setting because I cannot see anything. Yeah. Detail in the front. So that's front end. Yep, Ferrari badge there and fog light and everything. This car have pop-up, obviously. And it's set here in the side, designed by Pininfarina. As you can see, Pininfarina. And the wheel is, okay, the wheel is, yep, okay, the wheel is very nice. I thought the wheel, so the wheel is actually, it have holes. It's not paint, it's actually holes, as you can see there. If you look up, Ferrari badge and the 412, absolutely magnificent. The rear also looks so nice too. Look at that. Look at that. This is very satisfying. This is the right choice right over here. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go through the car. Yep. That one. And the close one. Rear. Yep. it just looks so damn cool, man. Okay, I'm gonna end the review here. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video when I unbox the new, very new, oh, I lost it, what the hell. It's the new, oh, I'm rubbish at this. It's the new Lotus Esprit, the James Bond car. Yeah, this is a very new one. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.